Hi guys, Darko here, welcome to my new video in which I will show you tips for gaming on Panasonic 2018 OLED TVs. I'll be demoing this on Panasonic 55FZ800 Ultra HD OLED TV with HDR support. Panasonic made small changes to gaming options this year, and I will basically give you my tips taken into consideration lowest input lag and best color accuracy. So I'll press menu to start and jump right to picture submenu, where you see that I have Professional 1 viewing mode selected. Now, just like in previous years, Panasonic has game mode option within each picture preset. So if I scroll down in this Professional 1 mode down to option settings, you will see game mode is engaged here, and this will basically give you lowest input lag. I measured 21.6 milliseconds with this option engaged, and if I turn it off, more processing kicks in and input lag goes above 100 milliseconds. So definitely turn it on. Good thing about using game mode within this picture preset is that you have many options to fine-tune picture accuracy. And also, Professional 1 is highly accurate by default. So basically, for watching general content, you can just select Professional 1 or Professional 2 picture mode. And for gaming, within these presets, just turn on game mode. However, Panasonic added also game picture mode. So if I go to viewing mode, you see at the bottom of the list game. Now this picture preset by default offers lowest input lag, so we don't need to go anywhere deeper in the menus. However, in terms of color accuracy, you need to tweak it more compared to professional or THX presets. So for example, here game mode by default has wide color gamut with this vivid color option engaged, and color temperature is wrongly adjusted at normal. So you need to do small tweaks, and even with those small tweaks you won't be able to get color accuracy like in professional or THX modes. On the other hand, Panasonic added this picture button setting, which basically allows you to select which picture presets you want to have available if you press picture button on the remote control next to power button. So if I go out of menus and press picture menu, you see that just by pressing it several times I can toggle between presets which I selected. So I can have, for example, Professional 1 and 2 for watching general content, and when I want to play a game, I would simply select game mode. But take into consideration that this game mode won't be as accurate compared to professional or THX presets with enabled game mode option. Now, with that being said, for HDR gaming, make sure you use either HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, because those connectors offer full bandwidth for you to enjoy UHD HDR in 60 frames per second. And make sure in setup you have this HDMI HDR setting on. What I realized, I have PlayStation 4 Pro hooked to this TV. Sometimes, even though this option is turned on, when I would turn on PlayStation 4 Pro, I would get information the TV is not capable of delivering full bandwidth best picture. So I would go to this option and simply go off and then back on, and then everything would be okay. So if you encounter such issue, make sure to select this option and play with it. Overall, this is an OLED panel with perfect contrast, great HDR performance and low input lag. But I would encourage you, if you're playing games for longer periods of time, due to image retention and possibly burn-in, which might occur, I recommend that after gaming sessions you switch to live TV or put some other content over the entire screen without any fixed logos or text, and just let TV refresh entire panel. In addition to that, TV has pixel shift and also panel maintenance built in, so after gaming sessions, when you turn off the TV, you will see a power button turned from red to orange, and that means that TV is performing panel maintenance while in standby. All this helps you keep uniform, beautiful picture that only OLED TVs deliver. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. As always, it's been a pleasure making it and helping you get the best from the equipment you have. If you have some specific questions or comments, just let me know below and I'll be happy to support you. Till next video, I wish you great gaming and see you soon. Bye!